welcome to our open house presentation on biogas. Biogas is a fuel that can be made from organic matter such as kitchen waste, human waste, sewage, and the like. We put that waste into our first step, the hydrolysis tank. Inside the hydrolysis tank, there's also water. And what happens is, over the course of a few weeks, these things break down into their basic components like glucose or fatty acids, which then forms a slurry down here. From there, we pour the slurry into a fermentation chamber. And what happens here is that bacteria breaks down this slurry into acids, most commonly acetate. And acetate is what breaks down into hydrogen and carbon dioxide, which then reform themselves into methane, along with a lot of other impurities like water, carbon dioxide, and hydrogen sulfide. All these gases will rise into this pipe into the purifier. And the purifier is filled with calcium oxide. You can also use alum, but here we've used calcium oxide. This thing will neutralize most of the pollutants and leave only methane to flow down here to our final destination. This final destination can be anything from cooking gas to gas from an energy production site. It's very useful. You can see over here we also have a tap, and this is where the remaining residue comes out. It also has a use, namely you can use it as a sort of manure on a farm to grow even more food. He's lighting the remaining methane gas free of any impurities on fire to show that we can in fact use this to generate energy in various forms.
What period of time can I project it?
You can keep using it for as long as you can keep putting it inside, which if you eat and you throw away some of the food, then you always have fuel to turn into this gas. The process does take around 2 weeks to a month.
You did so well. Thank you. Fantastic. We are proud of you.